Hello everybody, welcome to Zappe Invest. I hope you have a magnificent day. Leave a like, hit that subscribe button because I really want to grow in YouTube. Give me the chance and let's begin. The topic of today is my portfolio. I currently have a portfolio of 6,200 euros. I know it's not the craziest or the biggest, but I'm just also a beginner in the investing world. So let's start with the first stock I ever bought in my career of investing, and that is Apple stock. We can see I currently have 4 shares of Apple. That means that the total worth is 926 euros. I bought it at an average of 143 euros, and I'm currently sitting at a 60% profit, around 350 euros. Why did I bought this stock? I bought this stock due to some factors because, first of all, I know the company, it's one of the biggest companies in the world. Even if you never heard of investing, you know Apple. And also about the fact that I see Apple not as a company anymore, I just see it as a brand in general. For instance, to give you an example, my mom has the newest iPhone. She always wants the new one, not because the new specifications or the newest tech forms, just because she wants to flex with the iPhone brand. Alright, my second pick is Alibaba stock. Alibaba stock, I currently only have 3 shares of it. My average price that I bought it was $184. I bought it around 12 November. That means I'm currently sitting at 2 weeks holding and I'm gained 5% profits. So that's pretty a lot in my opinion, but that's only short term and I don't invest for the short term, so that's not important. Alright, why did I bought this stock? Well, Alibaba was already on a long time on my watch list, but I never bought it due to trade war issues or in general. But then they released that they sold 3.1 billion revenue on Singles Day, and that blown my mind. So I said, yeah, finally, I'm gonna put a small proportion of my portfolio into Baba stock. My third stock you can see is Altria Group. Altria Group is a tobacco company, has brands like Marlboro. Personally, in my private life, I work in a tobacco shop as well, so I see how it is, and that tobacco is something that is sustainable over the long term. People are still gonna be keep smoking over the years, even if they cannot do it anymore due specific reasons. They pay a 7% dividend, so on my 540 euros that I invested, I'm getting around 35 to 40 euros back on a yearly base. And that's not the value that my money gains or the loss that my money gains. That is just the dividends that the company pays. You can see I bought around 45 euros on my average price, and I have currently a profit of 10%, around 50 euros. The next company is Callaway Golf Company. I bought this company because I saw it on financial education, not because I saw it. I looked more into the company and I saw they had huge potential in the specific golf merchandise. Why? Because Nike, a big competitor, dropped all their priorities in that niche because they wanted to put more focus on the shoes of their company. So I saw it at the dip and I bought it, and I'm currently at a 20%, almost 20% profit. I do have to say that I'm thinking about to sell this company. This is not a company that I'm going to have for over 5 years. Then my next position and my biggest holdings from my portfolio is Facebook. Facebook I have currently 6 shares of. They are currently sitting at $198, and I paid $165 for it on an average price. That means I'm currently sitting at a 25% profit. That's 216 euros. For a lot of people, they think that Facebook is dying because not everybody is still using their app Facebook, but not a lot of people know this, but Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, everything is from them. They have a WhatsApp Messenger, sorry, not Snapchat. They have over 1 billion active users on a daily base. And if you can put advertisements in front of 1 billion people a day, you will not go away in the first few years, because how far we go in the future, how more and more companies gonna realize that advertising on television and stuff is not the way anymore. That the best way to have the best advertisement is through Facebook ads. That's why Facebook is my biggest position. because I think it's still undervalued and has very much potential for the future. My next stock is PayPal. PayPal is a stock that I knew before I invested. I use the company on a daily basis almost because I use it a lot, the PayPal. Um, PayPal, I currently have 9 shares of. They currently stay at 94 euros. My average price that I paid was 71. So I'm currently at 32% profit. My next company I want to discuss a little bit is PepsiCo. PepsiCo only have 4 shares of. My average price is just the same price almost. I only like 1% up. I recently started to add it to my portfolio. Why? Because I need diversification, and PepsiCo is a very good example of it. They pay a very good dividend, and it's a stable company. They still have potential to grow with double digits. So that's why I want to start adding PepsiCo with a rapid pace to my portfolio. I'm thinking to buy over 10 shares of PepsiCo in the next 3 months. Then my spec stock of the year is Tesla. Tesla is a stock that I bought that I don't care if it goes down with 60, 70, 80% because I believe in the company for the long term. I'm a very young investor and I understand that electric vehicles are the future. A lot of people are saying that it's not, but still, I believe it personally. So I personally invest also in it. Tesla is the company that has the most potential to pass as a profitable big chip company with the EV industry because a lot of companies have problems to produce an electric car and be profitable. So that's why I invested in Tesla. I'm currently at 30% profits almost. Then my only stock I am down on this moment is Waste Management. Waste Management is a company that has the best market condition. Even if there would occur a recession, people are still going to buy waste management, are still going to use the service of waste management. People need to get rid of their garbage. The same as Altria, people are going to still keep on smoking. People are still going to contribute garbage to the world. So here you see my total portfolio, 6,200 euros in total. You can see I invested 5,000 euros. Total profit 1,112 euros. That's around 22% profit. A little bit more over a year now, but I'm starting to add a little bit more and more now every month because I feel confident and confident in the things that I do. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a magnificent day. Leave a like and hit that subscribe button because I really want to grow in YouTube. I'm not kidding. I really put effort to it and I'm really interested in the financial area of YouTube. So thank you very much and bye bye.